Y'all know how I feel about that. It does absolutely nothing for the negative items that are already on your credit report. Like, it literally does not help at all. What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So in this video, I just want to talk about the first thing you need to do, whether you're trying to do your credit repair yourself, you're hiring somebody else, you hire me, whatever the case may be, whoever's doing it, just make sure they're doing it correctly. A lot of people would say the first thing you want to do is, freeze the secondary bureaus. Y'all know how I feel about that. It does absolutely nothing for the negative items that are already on your credit report. Like, it literally does not help at all. So I don't care what anybody on YouTube's telling you. I don't care what any credit repair company is telling you. Freezing those bureaus does absolutely nothing for helping you remove negative items. So, that being said, what you do want to do is you want to clean up the personal information. So any of these negative addresses tied to these negative accounts, we need to get a different address listed on your credit report. Now, once an address is removed, it can come right back on there. All it takes is a data furnisher reporting an account that address is tied to. So make sure they're sending personal information letters at least twice a month. And again, the reason being is because once it's removed, it can hop right back on there, and you'll be in the same situation you were to start with. So just make sure they're sending the personal information letters as well. And that's all I got for now. I hope y'all have a great night.